Snickerdoodle cookies. They're gonna be so good and so delicious. But before we get started, make sure you like,
subscribe,
and hit that post notification bell. So for the Snickerdoodle base, what you're gonna need is 2 sticks of butter. Pop that bad boy in.
Pop.
Okay. And 1.5 cups of sugar. Get that nice and everywhere. There was some chunks in there. Now that we have our ingredients in the bowl, we're gonna start this bad boy up and cream it together. And so now what we're gonna add in is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
So good. Okay.
And so we're using egg whites, but you could use 2 eggs or 1/3 cup of egg whites. That was juicy.
Yes, it was. Okay.
Like delicious.
Start at a low speed and continue going higher.
Okay, baby boos! We're now going to be adding our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. So let's do it.
Okay, we're gonna first start off with 1 1/4 teaspoon.
Teaspoon. It's a teaspoon.
Of Cream of TarTar.
Once again, 1 1/4 teaspoon.
There we go.
Perfect. 3 cups of flour. Oh, it's a lot of flour.
Pop, pop, pop. Oh. Okay, now 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I could not say this. Okay.
A teaspoon of cinnamon.
Okay, and now a teaspoon of baking soda.
Now we're gonna mix it all together, baby.
You want to go slow because you have all your dry ingredients in there, or else it'll fly everywhere. Okay.
And a little hack for you guys is that if you want to get all the dough off, you put it at high speed and you start lifting it up.
Don't lift it up all the way though.
Yeah. And look, less dough on your thing.
And then just scrape.
Okay, guys. So now that we finished our dough, we are now going to scoop up some dough. We're gonna get some dough.
It's like a 1/4 cup.
Yes, a 1/4 cup of dough. You're just gonna roll it out into a nice ball. You don't want to waste.
No.
It's currently what she's doing.
It got stuck in.
You just want to get not too much. So if you think it is a little too much, then don't budge. But we're gonna move this aside, and now we're just gonna put it in our cinnamon and sugar our topping. And I did make this in my Trudeau video, so go check that out if you want to see how to make this. And you just want to pat them down just like so.
Get it covered.
Yes, and you can even sprinkle a little bit. And
You don't want too much.
just get that in. And that looks delicious. So now we're gonna finish the rest of the pans. We finished putting the dough on our trays, and this is how it should look.
So good. Okay, there's only 4 on the tray because we don't want them sticking together because we want them to look beautiful at the end.
And we're going to pop this in the oven 350 to 12 to 15 minutes. And we'll be back when they're done. Hey, baby boos! Okay, so we took them out of the oven.
And we let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes.
Now it's time to enjoy. I'm so excited. It smells so good.
Oh my
God. The cookies are so good. They taste like light and fluffy.
They're like crispy on the outside, but like gooey on the inside. Not exactly gooey, but they're like amazing. Yeah. I like this.